Hello everyone, in this video I will review Nextcloud. Nextcloud is an open-source cloud storage platform that allows you to store and manage files privately. Unlike traditional cloud services, it gives you full control over your data since you can self-host it on your own server. It supports file syncing, sharing, and collaboration, making it suitable for both personal and business use. You can integrate over 100 apps for extra features like calendars, contacts, chat, and document editing. The platform includes end-to-end encryption to keep your files secure and protect your privacy. Users appreciate that it avoids relying on the big tech companies, so your data remains in your control. It works across devices including desktop computers, smartphones, and tablets, ensuring seamless access wherever you are. Nextcloud also allows team collaboration with shared folders, commands, and version controls. One of its strengths is customization. You can tailor it to your specific needs with plugins and apps. Managed hosting is available if you don't want to deal with server setup, but self-hosting gives maximum control. Some people find the initial setup complex, especially if they are not tech-savvy. The cost can vary depending on hosting, storage, and optional paid features. Overall, Nextcloud is ideal for anyone who values privacy and data ownership and flexibility. It's a great alternative to mainstream cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. While setup can be tricky, the benefits of security, customization, and control make it worth considering. Consistent updates and a strong community also help maintain reliability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.